So you need to work from home. But what do you actually need to be able to work from home? Let us look at the list of the basic items you should have in order to work from home. A place in your home. A desk and a chair. A power outlet with multiple sockets. A computer or laptop and appropriate software. Internet connection. And some goodwill. By watching this video, you will learn all you need at home to send and receive emails or files, communicate by text chat, voice, and video calls, work on documents, worksheets, presentations, attend and host online meetings, and perform many more work-related operations. Now let's look at these items one by one in detail. Place. Choose a workplace in your home that is quiet and away from all disturbances such as kitchen, kids, TV, etc. Your workplace should have a good Wi-Fi signal and a sufficient number of power sockets. Desk and chair. You need a table to place all your devices and a comfortable work chair. Remember that you will be sitting for long hours, so choose a comfortable chair and good table. Power. Choose a place where you have a power supply with multiple power sockets. You need a power extension cord with multiple sockets with a minimum of 4 sockets to connect the various devices you will be working with, such as computer, laptop charger, monitor, router, mobile charger, etc. Ensure you have all the power supply cables for these devices. If you have frequent power interruption in your area, it is recommended to have backup power batteries or uninterruptible power supply devices. Hardware. Computer or laptop. You need a laptop or a basic desktop computer with monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Your laptop or desktop computer must be loaded with the appropriate operating systems such as Windows, Linux, or iOS. Sound devices. Your computer or laptop should have audio, sound devices so that you can hear and talk for voice and video calls, online conference calls, meetings, etc. Select good headphones and microphone to have the best quality communication possible. Webcam. You may also need a webcam to have video conferences with your colleagues or customers. In most of the laptops, the webcam is built in and is located on the top center of the laptop screen. Other devices. You may also need other devices such as additional monitor, external mouse for laptops, printers, scanners, pen drive, digital pen, etc., based on what your professional requirements are. Software. Let's look at the list of software required to work from home. Basic essential software. MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint to prepare documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. Web browser. Google Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer to browse websites or web applications. Email software. Outlook or Live Mail to send and receive emails. Video calls and online meeting software. Skype, Zoom, Hangout, Cisco, WebEx, etc. to chat, audio and video calls, conference calls, online meetings. Mobile communication app. WhatsApp for quick, short, instant communication through your mobile phone. File transfer and exchange software. Google Drive, WeTransfer, OneDrive, etc. to transfer and exchange big and small files online. The above-mentioned software tools are commonly used in various professions. There are many more software tools that you might need to use according to the needs of your profession. Internet. You need an internet connection to send and receive emails, exchange files, attend conference calls and online meeting, etc. There are various types of internet connections, such as broadband, cable lines, mobile connectivity, etc. You may need a wireless router or modem to connect multiple devices to your internet connection. You can check the internet connection available in your local area and buy a simple subscription to get started. You need to decide how much internet speed you will need to work from home. Here are some general download speed requirements based on everyday online work activities. Check email and browse the web, 1 to 5 megabits per second minimum. Have video conference calls and meetings, 5 to 15 megabytes per second minimum. Send and receive big files, 15 to 25 megabytes per second minimum. Stream video content and download very large files, 25 plus megabytes per second minimum. Also, you can use your mobile phone's data to connect another computer or phone to the internet by using the tethering or hotspot function already existing in your mobile phone. You have just seen in detail the list of the basic items you should have in order to work from home. To sum up, here is the brief checklist for the list of required items. A place in your home. A desk and a good chair. A power supply with multiple sockets. A computer or laptop with appropriate software. An internet connection. And some goodwill. So get started to work from home now. Aurexus can train you or your company's associates to work from home through e-learning modules. Aurexus offers various e-learning services such as creation of interactive e-learning modules or videos, conversion of existing courses, PPT or Flash to HTML5 e-learning modules, creation of your customized e-learning platform on Moodle open source free software, maintenance of courses content and platform, many more e-learning services.